Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imam Aimangra. I'm come from PBIB. I wanna read the journal of the title Teaching English to Visually Impaired Student and Analysis of Teachers' Problems. The abstract. The aim of this study was to find out the teacher problems in teaching English to visually impaired students. The participants of the study were two English teachers at one special school in Palembang, Indonesia. A qualitative research design with a case study method was applied in this research. Interviews and document analysis were conducted to gain in-depth information and understanding on the subject. While thematic analysis was used to analyze and describe the collected data. Introduction in Indonesia, English is intended to be one of the compulsory subjects in junior high school, senior high school, and universities. It's widely noted that English is important for the most commerce reason that English is a global or international language. By mastering English, the student might improve their communication skills, widen their opportunities of study from various success scores, and pursue their future studies and careers. Furthermore, state that in teaching English as foreign language, literature review, visually review, visually impaired student. Visually impaired is a disorder character characterized by poor visual function that can be repaired by refractive corrections, glasses, or contact lens. Medical producers of surgery, Napinal reimbursed. The nature and degree of visual impairment may vary significantly, so each student may require individual adaptations to instructional practice and methods in order to learn effectively. According to FAR, visual impairment refers to the function of the eye and can be measured with tests such as visual acuity, visual field, color vision, and contact sensitivity. Teaching English to visual impaired students. In teaching visual impaired students, teachers ultimately should comprehend that student with vision impairment will face different kind of backs and ways to learn English. Claims that teaching English to visually impaired students different from teaching students with normal conditions of age. Visually impaired students cannot learn English by seeing objects, colors, shapes, facial expression, book illustration, digital image, animal, landscape, skylines, architecture, transportations, and so on. Therefore, teachers who teach visually impaired students, then they can hope to over the qualities and characteristics of the individuals they teach. Problems in teaching English to visually impaired students. Teaching English to visually impaired students requires several educational considerations to accommodate their special learning needs, and mention that there are several factors to consider that may arise problems in teaching English to visual impaired students. They are as follows. Methodology, research design, participants, and size of the study. The study was conducted by using a qualitative approach with a case study method. A qualitative research aimed at expanding phenomena based on the perspective of participants. A case study is used to describe a specific intervention or phenomena, as well as the context in which it occurred. Data collects and analysis. Interviews and document analysis were conducted to gain in-depth information and understanding on the subject of the study. Interview involves presentation of other verbal stimuli and reply in terms of oral verbal responses. Establishment of trustworthiness. To obtain um, the most worthiness of the data collected for this research, we use triangulation and member checking techniques. The purpose of triangulation is to increase the suitability and validity of the findings. The findings in inference to the data obtained through interviews and document teachers' problems in teaching English to visual impaired students were categorized into four major themes, including 1. Time management problems. 2. Student attitude and behavioral problems. 3. Availability of instructional materials. And 4. Poor classroom conditions. The following time management problems and student attitude and behavioral problems, lack of instructional material and equipment, poor classroom condition. Discussion: we found that were several problems faced by teachers in teaching English to visually impaired students at one special school in Palembang. This consists of a time management problems, B. Students' attitude and behaviors problem, C. Lack of instructional materials for students with visual impairments, and D. Poor classroom conditions. Conclusion: based on the result of this study, there were several problems that the English teachers had encountered in teaching English to visually impaired students. The main problems were associated with the management, students' attitude and behavior, lack of instructional materials and equipment, and poor classroom conditions. These problems need to be overcome, or at least further studies might be directed to investigate other problems and also the strategies to visually impaired students in learning English. Okay, thank you very much. I wanted to say sorry if I have many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.